Hey, Abby, what do you got there?
Open this.
What are they? Are they candy?
Did Abby go trick-or-treating?
What are those?
They're fruit candies.
The fruit candy. Mommy, open them. Mommy,
Did Abby have fun going trick-or-treating?
Mommy, open them.
What about the chocolate bar you got there?
Yeah, why don't you eat that one first? Is it yummy?
Is that baby sister? And mommy?
Oh, baby
The baby sister said, I didn't get any candy.
I need my candy.
What else you got there?
What's that?
What's that? Those look like gummy bears.
Open.
You gotta finish your chocolate bar first. That you're just laying on the couch. Hey Abby, did you go trick-or-treating? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Did you have fun? Say Happy Halloween.
Open this.
Open this. Say Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Say bye.